Google just dropped Gemini 3 Flash, and honestly, it might be the best value AI model on the planet right now, not just because it crushes benchmarks, which it does, but because it's fast, super efficient, and costs a fraction of the competition. The crazy part? It actually beats Gemini 3 Pro at coding, one of the best coding models in the world. Cheaper, faster, better, insane. Here's the thing. For a long time, if you wanted top-tier AI performance, you had to pay top-tier prices, and even then, you'd deal with slow response times and high token costs that add up fast. Developers and creators were stuck choosing between quality and affordability. You either got a smart model that was expensive and slow, or a fast model that couldn't handle complex tasks. That trade-off has been the reality for years. Until now, this is where Gemini 3 Flash changes everything. Google built a model that combines pro-level intelligence with Flash-level speed and efficiency. You get frontier performance without the frontier price tag. It's not a compromise, it's genuinely both, fast and smart, cheap and capable. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets wild. Flash costs 50 cents per million input tokens, Pro costs $2, GPT 5.2 is around $1.25. Claude Sonnet runs about $3, so Flash is a quarter of the price of Pro and still outperforms it in key areas. On Humanity's last exam, Flash scores around 33%. Pro is slightly higher. GPT 5.2 is in a similar range. They're all incredibly close. GPQA Diamond, which tests PhD level reasoning, Flash hits 90%, Pro gets 91. GPT 5.2 around 92. But here's the kicker. SWE-bench, the coding benchmark that actually matters for developers, Flash scores 78%, Pro 76%. Flash actually beats Pro at coding, a cheaper, faster model outperforming the flagship. That's not supposed to happen. And it's not just about raw scores. Flash uses around 30% fewer tokens than previous Pro models to complete the same tasks. That means faster results, lower costs, and no loss in quality. It's also 3 times faster than Pro based on independent testing. When you're running multiple tasks or building real applications, that speed difference compounds quickly. If you code, automate, or build anything with AI, this changes the game. Google made Flash the default model for AI mode in search. It's now standard across Gemini, Docs, and most Google products. Users get a free upgrade to next-generation intelligence without paying a cent. Google has the infrastructure, the data, the custom silicon, and now the most efficient model. They're playing a game they're set up to win. Why do I love Flash? It's cheaper than Pro and most competitors. It processes tokens faster, it runs super efficient, and it sometimes even beats Pro at the tasks that matter most. Downsides, it's not always top in every single benchmark. A few edge cases might still need Pro, but for the vast majority of use cases, Flash is the smarter choice. Early feedback from developers has been amazing. Flash nearly matches Pro's accuracy while being dramatically cheaper and faster. That's the sweet spot everyone's been waiting for. Gemini 3 Flash is free to use in AI mode on Google Search right now. Fast, cheap, high quality, and ready for coders, creators, or anyone automating workflows. Link in the description if you want to try it. Drop a comment if you want me to do a comparison between Flash and other models. I'll break it all down. And if you want to keep up with tools like this, hit subscribe and like. I cover AI tools, benchmarks, and real-world use cases every week, so you don't waste hours testing stuff yourself. Until then, stay fast, stay efficient, and let the AI do the heavy lifting.